Distanční sloupek.
Standoff spacer.
Distanční sloupek.
Standoff spacer.
Hejno, roj.
Swarm.
Hejno, roj.
Swarm.
Přístavní dělník.
Docker.
Přístavní dělník.
Docker.
Věž.
Tower.
Věž.
Tower.
Uzel.
Node.
Uzel.
Node.
A nyní si prosvištíme celé věty.
Hi, this is Honza.
Hi, this is Jorda.
Today we want to talk about Docker's Farm and we want to show you how you can build your own Docker's Farm tower. So Honza, what Docker is?
Jorda. Docker is containing service for running other services separated from host system.
Docker's Swarm is next level of Docker service because Swarm can combine more hosts with shared resources.
At the first step, we must connect all together.
At second step, we must install Raspbian on all workers and set up SSH on them. In our case, we have 3 pieces of Raspberry Pi free with pre-installed Raspbian, and we had already set SSH.
Now we will connect boards by using standoff spacers.
At zero layer of our tower, we have manager. Manager is main node that control other workers. At other layers, we have rest nodes that represent workers. At the next step, we will connect them to D-Link switch with Ethernet cables. All nodes are powered by 5 voltage from USB charger.
Years later.
As you can see, now all node works, and we can continue to configure nodes. At first step, we will connect to SSH at all nodes.
The username of first node is pi.
And IP address and with 236.
And password is
Top secret. Now we are connected to first node and we will connect to next node. Now we have connected all nodes and we will install Docker on them. So at first node
we have to download the Docker script that install Docker.
That script download install from page of Docker and will install service that running Docker containers.
We must wait 20 seconds and we can do the same thing on the second node. So we must wait for every 3 nodes until the install script done the install.
Now comes the time when we will create our first service. This service can be web browser, FTP server and more.
Our first service will be monitoring web system. This system shows us state of every node in Swarm and running services.
This service is web server, so we must go to web browser for see this. And service now running. We can go to browser.
And as you can see, we have only one service in our manager. This service has name this and running.
Now we will run our first distributed service over whole Swarm. Every node will run this service. This service will be Nginx web server running Nginx Hello World web page.
Node 1 as manager build service and deploy it to another workers. As you can see, the manager building service for every node, and as you can see, in every node is running our service of Nginx web server. Let's see to our web monitor service
that show us 3 containers. It's one container shared between 3 Docker workers. As you can see, at address of every worker, we can see Nginx Hello World page.
and that's all. We have running our service of our web server on every node, and we can use for load balancing and many more using